Hey Karthik, what happened? Why are you so upset?
I want to work in a top IT MNC, but I have tried in most IT companies and haven't been selected anywhere.
Don't worry, I have a solution for you. Visit Cloud DevOps Hub. It's a live online training academy where you will get complete step-by-step job-oriented, job-ready IT development and operation training with 100% placement assistance. You will also get real-time IT company knowledge from 15 years of experienced professionals mentored primarily on hybrid cloud including AWS, Google Cloud and Azure services with top 10 DevOps tool with practicals including multiple projects so that you will be able to work in any IT organization from day one.
Whoa, this looks great. I was searching this from long back. I want to know more and how it's different from other institutes.
You will be getting 24/7 community support by 50,000 plus professionals FB group, WhatsApp community, instructor-led live training, lifetime access to class training recordings, documents, PPT, study material with live projects, code repos, tips and tricks for DevOps activity, training certification, interview preparation, weekly mock interview, and resume making.
This looks promising. Where I can get more info?
You can also check the information of new batches and live online day-wise detailed syllabus learning roadmap at www.clouddevopshub.com. Additionally, you can watch previous batch placements, success stories, student feedback, live sessions and recorded lectures on their YouTube channel at Cloud DevOps Hub. The most important thing is that students who have studied at this institute have taken multiple offers and are now working in the topmost IT companies with good packages. So what are you waiting for? Register today at Cloud DevOps Hub to give a new identity to your career. To register, visit www.clouddevopshub.com.
Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back. This is the day 2 session for our AWS and DevOps training and placement program. Okay, when I'm talking about the day 1 means something we have already learned in the day 1. What exactly it is? We have to go to our website. In the website, there is a option day-wise syllabus. If you will click on this day-wise syllabus, there is a place where you will get a day-wise syllabus. What all day, which all day, what all things we have to learn. I'm just opening this. As soon as I will open, one Excel sheet will be open. In the Excel sheet has been mentioned already what we have to learn. In the yesterday's session, course overview, course introduction, team introduction, what we have to learn, what we don't have to learn. Okay, what exactly the very high level AWS is, what exactly the DevOps is, we have seen, and we have seen why we have to learn the Cloud and DevOps. Are you agree with my point? This is what we have discussed in the yesterday's session. Yes. No? Everyone agree? Guys, it's an interactive session. Yes, no, please. You can message into the chat.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Cool. Good. Okay. I hope you have this link. Okay. Handy with you. Bookmark it. It will be very helpful for you because we are following this syllabus day-wise. Okay. And now the question will come. Some student who joined on a very first day, they will ask, sir, where is the recording, right, of the day 1? No need to ask with me. Everything is available in the website. You can go to the website. If you will come little bit down, okay, little bit down, little bit down. Okay, here is the Batch-31 playlist available on the YouTube. When I'm talking about the playlist, is what is playlist? Where all the things will be available, means all the videos has to be available into that place, right? So this is the playlist which is available on the website. You can just click in there, watch Batch-31 playlist on the YouTube. This is the Batch-31. You will see the playlist into this place. And this is the day 1 video available, which we have uploaded 12 hours ago. Got it? 8 AM is the live session will be available. 8 PM, some next 4 days or next 5 days, the classes videos will be available into the YouTube channel. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, no need to worry, no need to ask anything, sir. Where is the video? Where is the day 1 video, day 2 video? It all will come into this place. If you want, I can give this link also into the chat so that you don't have to worry that, sir, where we will get the day 2 recording. Okay, day 2 will come into this place only. After day 1, day 2 will come. Sweet and simple. Okay, cool. Now I'm coming back to my syllabus. Let me open my PPT as well. Okay, I hope you are very clear that we are going to discuss this all modules. Okay, this all modules. Just I will take 5 more minutes. Okay, to explain that if someone is new, we are going to discuss the module 1, the DevOps foundation. Means I will create your base. I will teach you the Linux in the module 2. Okay, in the module 3, we will learn the AWS top 10 services. The reason why we are teaching the Linux, because if you will directly start learning the AWS, it will not be very helpful for you. You have to understand, you have to digest, you have to work in the real time, you have to work into the practicals, and all the things are depend on the servers, and servers are basically Linux. So we have to be good into the Linux. Then only if you will learn the AWS, it will be very, very helpful. Guys, till now, all okay? Module 3? Yes, no?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
sir.
After module 3, the module 4 will come. Means we will start our DevOps journey. Means something related to the development we will learn. Development is not only writing the code, developing a software, using the software, configuration of the software is also known as development part. Okay, means in the DevOps, the development is not writing the code. Okay, configuring the server, setuping the things is known as development in terms of DevOps. So we are doing the development work of, and with the help of Git, Jenkins, and more primarily of the CI/CD part, we will learn how to configure it. Okay, means every installation, means Git installation, GitHub usable, account creation, Jenkins installation in multiple approaches. Not only, I will never teach one approach, I will teach multiple approach. If you will give the answer that I know this solution with multiple approaches, the interviewer will be happy, and in the real time you will able to work very easily. Okay, so I will teach you all the things with multiple approaches. Okay, Docker, Kubernetes. Docker we will install in the Windows, we will install into the Linux machine, we will install into the playground. Kubernetes also we will install in the virtual machine, we will install into the GKE. Like that, we will learn a lot of things. We will create a lot of containers, application, images in this module 5. After that, till now, manual work will be there. But if you want a high salary, if you need a good salary, you have to learn some automation as well. These are the tools who will create the infrastructure with the help of automation that we will learn in the module 6. Means we are going to learn Ansible and Terraform in the module 6. After that, if we develop so many things, if all things are working properly, running properly, all good, yes, no, how we will get to know? We have to set up the monitoring as well. So in the module 7, we will learn the monitoring part with the help of Prometheus and Grafana, with the help of Kubernetes, with the help of Helm. So this is what we are going to learn in the module 7. All the details, what all things, how much we are going to learn is available into this Excel sheet. Okay. And after that, if you need a high package, as company are demanding that you have to be little bit aware about the scripting. They will not expect you to write the code. They will expect you to write or you have the basic understanding of the scripting. That I am going to teach you into the module 8, means Bash and Python programming or scripting also. I will teach you into the module 8. Any question till module 8? Anyone has any doubt? All good?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Cool. Then if we learn a lot of things, okay, means we have spent 45 days in this. And in
hello.
the 1 second.
Because
Yep.
sorry.
Yep. Okay. Just give me a second. Yeah, go ahead.
Good morning, Jatin here.
Yeah, Jatin,
can you go back to your PPT?
Yep. Tell me.
I joined little late. Can you go back to that
Yep.
PPT?
Tell me.
I'm so sorry. Can you scroll up little? Can you tell me what is that first one?
Module 1 is a DevOps foundation. Okay. I'm giving you this link. Okay. You can go through that and I will explain you. Okay. In the module 1, we will make the foundation. What exactly the DevOps is, what exactly the AWS is, why we have to learn the DevOps, why we have to learn the AWS, what all things you have to learn into the AWS, what all things we have to learn into the DevOps. If you will see the day 3, in the day 3, I'm straightforward telling that what all tools we have to use to make this all process very easy. Why these tools are very popular? Because if you will see the loop of infinity, loop of DevOps, there are so many tools. Out of that, which are the most popular tools in which category, that we are going to discuss in the day 3.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yep, thank you. And after that, after learning lot of things, after learning your choice, the day 42 is very straightforward. I'm telling day 45, sorry, it's a student choice. Whatever extra you want to learn related to the DevOps, related to any of the cloud service, let us know, because after learning 45 days, after spending 1.5 months or 2 months, you will be very mature. You already given so many interviews as well, right? There may be chances you already get selected somewhere. But if you feel that in my company, this tool is using and it is very popular, or you feel that this tool has to be learned and this tool has to be a part of this training, then let us know. We will add and we will teach you that tool also in the day 45, or if required more extra days, we will put some extra days as well. Okay, that will happen into the day 45. After that, if you will see here, after learning lot of things, we will touch all the points. Okay, we will use multiple tools and we will create a multiple project. First project, with the help of CI/CD, with the help of Java, Spring Boot application, GitHub, Jenkins, Jenkins file, Docker files, and we will create a CI and CD of the application. We will create an infra and we will deploy the applications or builds into some remote machines. This is what CI/CD we will do into the project 1. Second project is completely e-commerce website, which is completely on Java, Python, Go, .NET, different languages as a microservices. We will create a web applications. We will deploy into the Kubernetes environment. Means this part, we will take it on the Google Cloud. Okay, this part, we will take it on the Google Cloud into the Kubernetes environment. This is project 2. Third project, again, we will come back to AWS, 40 different services. If I will tell you to write the name or speak the 40 services, we all 50 members cannot write it. Not possible. Okay. But we are going to tell you the 40 AWS resources creation with the help of Terraform on the AWS cloud. This is a very big project with lot of services we are going to create in the project 3. So that you will be very comfortable. You can write this project in your resume and you will be very confident to give the interviews. Cool, all good. This is what our syllabus is. Agree? Any question with the syllabus?
Is K8s part of this?
K8s is a Kubernetes. Yes.
Okay.
Here is the K8s, Kubernetes, module 5. Whatever you think, all the things are available into this. It's a master's course.
Okay.
Cool.
So one question. So is Kubernetes like your? I mean, what it does basically? Is it kind of?
It's a container management system.
Like
it's a container management system. When with the help of Docker, we create lot of containers. We can't manage the containers with the help of Docker. We will able to develop or create the containers with the help of Docker. Then we will manage with the help of Kubernetes.
Okay. So it's just like a container management. So though we have K8s and all, we need to have the Tomcat or any other server for
Tomcat is a different thing,
right?
Kubernetes is a container management. Tomcat is an application, web application. Both are different things.
No, I totally understand, but I'm saying, though we have, container, we need to have the Tomcat or any other server to run our application, right?
Yep. We need an infra to run that application.
Okay.
And infra will be provided by this software.
Correct, yeah.
Cool, good.
Okay.
This is all things we are going to learn. I will take your mock interviews. Okay, we will create your resumes and we will send you to the big MNCs to go for the give the interview. We will provide you a lot of referrals. Okay, if you saw that last batches, okay, CLASS classrooms, okay, we have provided a lot of referrals and all the referrals we will provide you in your batch as well. Okay, this is the batch 30. Lot of referrals has been provided to them. Okay, interview questions we are writing into this place. Referral 10, 19 July, KPIT 2 to 6 year experience. Okay, job search Elstone, it's a GE company. Apply before 18 July and 1 p.m. This is apply directly here. Okay, some more openings related to the pan India of the Capgemini. No need to worry, it's a 4 to 15 years. Most of the people will come into this category. We are directly providing the HR name, HR mobile number, HR email ID, and all the details, whatever is required. Okay, You have to provide all this information, how much is your current CTC, all this information directly to the HR. They will give a call to you, or you have to just comment yourself, your email ID. We will send a mail. We will pass the information that this all are our candidate. Take the resume and give and validate the resume and give the call to them. Okay. Same thing. It's not like only Indian opportunity. We are providing the on-site opportunity for the Capgemini span. We are providing the opportunity for the span as well. You can see here in the LinkedIn, it's a 3 days old, 56 students has applied. And here is the opening for the DevOps engineer in the span remote location. You are most welcome to apply in all these things. As soon as you will apply, just let us know that you have applied and your email ID has to be mentioned into this place. So that what we will do, we'll talk with the HR that this is our person, our candidate, please give a call. Very transparently, we are maintaining all these things into our Google Classroom. This is the LMS system we are doing it. As well as if whatever the practicals are happening, all the practicals will be available here. Whatever the students are doing the practicals, all the practicals details are available here. Means which student has did, which one has not did the practical. This all information is available into this place. If you will see open here, okay, 22% means 100% students are doing the practical. We have assigned to the 22. Some student has applied 2 times, okay, and handed over. That you can see that this all Akshay, Ahad, Ajit, and all these students has did the practical. Here they have provided their screenshots. Like that, very transparently, we are maintaining all these things. Means we are expecting you to do this all practicals. If you face any problem, there are some workshop days are here. You can feel free to share your screen, or every day at the end of the session, you are feel free to share the screen and ask the question, whatever is coming in your mind. Very transparently, we are maintaining all these things into our Google Classrooms. Cool. That's good. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Sounds good. So, because is this will this be a recorded session? Because if
Everything
I'm not
is
able to join
recorded.
the session.
You have to be
Okay.
come from the starting. Everything will be recorded and things will come into the YouTube channel as well. Okay.
Hello.
This is the day 1
Hello.
recording.
So,
Guys, can I park your question at
Hello.
the end?
Yes.
Yeah, Vishal, go ahead.
yes,
Vishal, switch on the
yes.
camera. Jitin, switch on the camera, please. Yeah, Vishal, go ahead.
Okay. Sir, I am non-IT background. I am passing to 2015. Can I attend this seminar?
There is no
Class?
harsh in learning anything. Okay, you can learn anytime, anything.
As a fresher,
Yes, as a
can I
fresher.
get a job?
See, I can take your responsibility, but I can teach you in a very well way. But job, if you will give the interview after learning, you will get a job for sure.
Okay.
Can we talk this thing one-to-one, Vishal? Because I have to give so many suggestions to you. Okay. Yep. Okay, guys, all the recordings will be available here. Please come on time. It will be very helpful for you. Okay. And someone is asking that, can we get the certificate or at the end of the training? Yes, we will provide you the training certificate as well. Okay. Cool. And I will show you this all things we have already learned it yesterday. Okay. All the information is already shared in the PPT. Jitin, can we park your question? Jitin, can we park your question at the end?
Sure.
Okay. As well as as you are aware that we have lot of selections already happened in our previous batches. All the information is very transparently available in our YouTube channel. If you will go up and if you will come back here on the top, okay. Yep, here, success story. If you will see that, if you will just open this link, there are so many students has been placed in with the help of our learnings. Okay. Here in all the batches, you will not get this type of information in any of the training institute. No one will provide, but we are the community. We are providing all the information. Where is our student place as this type of recordings? Okay, means our classroom recordings we are uploading into that. You can see our batch 30 student has been placed. This is a 25-minute video. Must watch it. What my batch 30 students are telling. What my batch 29 students are telling about me and our program. What our 27 batch students are telling, what about 25 batch, 24, so many batches recordings are available here. You can see that how many students are getting placed, where they get placed, how much package they are giving. All the information is available here. I can show my WhatsApp as well. I can open my WhatsApp and I can show all these things to you as well. I can just search congratulations, CONGRA. Okay. As soon as I will search it, you can see here, see, Amrut has been success something, Vishnu for getting place. Okay. And if I will come here, congratulations, write in this resume, what exactly it is, let's see it. Okay, write this in resume and ask the mod package. Why we are telling this thing to anyone? Okay, if you will see here, where go up, where go up, where go up, where go up, where is the certificate? I was taking the AWS certification exam and I passed. Okay, if you will come little bit down, they have shared the certification exam as well. Congratulations, Cloud Dictionary certification also has been cleared in my batch 30 itself. It's just a 1 week ago. Okay, means batch has been completed 2 days back and students are writing the certification and they are getting placed. If you will come little bit down, it's not like I'm talking with only latest person. If you will see here, batch 23 student, again, he got again placed and I have started working on the DevOps project in my existing company again. Okay. And I told that, wow, congratulations again. Okay. Like that, the things happen. It's not only Indian students are getting job. If you will see here, I would like to inform that recently I started looking for the DevOps job, he was telling, and I get an offer from the IBM Canada as a DevOps developer. This is my batch 28 student. And so many placements we do have in all the batches and every time. Guys, some students already know me. Amrit, you are already my old student. I think you are aware about that part, right? And so many students are already came from my previous batches available here. They know all these things. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm just closing this and let's come into our day one agenda. Why we are learning all these things. Let's start the things with the AWS at this point. Okay. Guys, do you know AWS, what we are planning, what you guys are planning to learn now? It has been came in 2002, means AWS platform. Which platform, sir? AWS platform, which I'm opening at this point, aws.amazon.com console, which I'm opening at this point. Okay. After logging in, okay. This console or this UI, this platform has been developed in 2002, means 21 years old. AWS has developed this platform, okay, which I am showing in front of you. That is aws.amazon.com. This is 21 year old. It has been launched in 2002. Okay. And after that, in 2003, some new things, new formulas came. Okay. And in the 2004, very first service, the SQS service has been launched. In 2006, the EC2 machine, which we will call as a virtual machine, has been launched in 2006. From that time, means around 15 years back, this EC2 service, where exactly it is, sir, we don't know anything. No need to worry. If you don't know any of the service, you can just search here, EC2. Okay. I'm talking about the virtual servers in the cloud, means virtual machines in the cloud. This is called EC2 service, which has been launched 15 years back. Can anyone here who can give me the full form of EC2? What is the full form of EC2? What is EC2? Full form of EC2?
Container.
Cloud computing.
Elastic Cloud Computing. Elastic Cloud Compute. Can you give me the full form? What is the meaning of Elastic? What does it mean? Go ahead. They have not created the name just for the name shake. Some meaning is there. What is the Elastic meaning? Yes. Can be increase or decrease as per the demand.
You can stretch.
Yes.
As soon
We can
as
stretch
long
if
as
we required. If we want to put more load, we can increase or decrease the thing. It is available on the cloud. That's why the cloud keyword is coming. What do you mean by compute? Can anyone give me the answer? What do you mean by compute? Guys, here a lot of students are telling, I know EC2, I know AWS. Give me the answer. What is compute? What do you mean by compute?
Server.
Server. Wrong answer. Sorry. What else?
To perform some operations.
Wrong. Sorry. No.
Computer.
Computer. Okay. Give a better answer. Guys, here we are 50 persons. Give me the correct answer. What is compute?
Compute means nothing but, doing some
If you will say
calculation.
nothing, means it's nothing.
Compute means
No, it's doing some calculation. Yes.
No.
Operations maybe.
Compute means CPU and
Process of computing.
memory. Okay. CPU and memory. Okay. When I'm talking, someone told the computer. Yes, when you are talking about the computer, the hardware will come into the picture. When the hardware will come, CPU, memory, disk, internet, ethernet, so many things will come into the picture. This is called compute. What increase and decrease? If we have to need a high machine, what we will do? We will increase the CPU and memory, right? And we will get a heavy machine. If you need a small machine, you will take one CPU, 8 GB RAM or 4 GB RAM, it's a small machine. If you want to put more load, heavy machine, then you will take more CPUs and more memory. That is can be increased or decreased with the help of elastic keyword. Got it? This is the full form of EC2. We will start from here and we will go into the very high level. Okay. This is the EC2 full form. Leave it. Okay. Where exactly the home page of EC2? This is the home page. This is the home page of the EC2 available here. There are so many options. We are going to discuss all these options one by one in our AWS classes. Okay. This is called EC2, which has been launched 15 years old and people are learning, people are using. This is the most popular service available in the cloud. I'm not talking about AWS. In the overall cloud, this is the most popular service which has to be used in every company. Cool. Now, in 2009, the VPC came. What do you mean by VPC? I know you have heard the keyword VPC. What does it mean?
Virtual private cloud.
Private cloud. When the keyword came, virtual means somewhere else. Virtually, private means your own area into the cloud, means somewhere someone else servers or data center, your own area is known as virtual private cloud. Earlier in 2006, when the machine has been launched, people were very much worried that what will happen with my data, where exactly it will go, it will be safe, not safe. It's a public place, it's a cloud, anyone can access. So many problems came. And then AWS took 4 years and he launched one more service, name is Virtual Private Cloud. You can create your own cloud. It's a very secure. You can keep your data inside your cloud. Then it will be very, very secure. You don't have to worry about the data. That is the Virtual Private Cloud concept has been came. This concept is available in all the clouds. Okay, most popular thing. After that, when in 2012 means after launching the AWS platform, after 10 years, some customer events he created. In the customer event, what will happen? He provided the information that we have this many things, we have developed this all things. That time people haven't listened much. Okay, people were telling, okay, you created, that's okay, nice, thank you, and all the things. After these events happen, means AWS has did a lot of events, and in 2016, when people adopt in this duration from 2012 to 2016, 4 years of duration, lot of people, companies has adopted that. When the revenue reached to 10 billions, then like us, people will be aware that, got to know that, okay, something new came, concept came, we have to learn. And lot of people has jumped into learning the AWS thing or cloud related things. People are started learning from the 2016 onwards. When in this duration of 10 years, AWS has come out with 100 services, means he haven't stopped himself in this 11 years of 15 years of duration. Okay, from 2002 to 2017, he developed the 100 services. Sir, where is this all 100 services? If you will come here on the AWS page, if you will click on the services, if you will click on all services, this all services has been developed till now, but in 2017, 100 services has been developed by AWS. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes.
This is history is telling. Okay. And in 2017, 100 services has been developed. In 2017, some contracts and so many things. And now it's a very wider. AWS has a revolution over the time, means in the 2002 to 2017, 100 services, 2017 to 2022, 200 services. Okay. In the next 5 years or next 2 years, again, some more services will come into the picture, which we are using in a traditional way. Sir, we are not able to understand this thing. Can you explain in a deeper way? Yes, I will explain. Okay. Let's come little bit down. Why? From where I have a question for you guys. Okay. From where AWS is getting idea that he created 100 services, I'm telling at this point in 2022, 200 services are there. From where these 200 services are there, from where he is getting an idea? Can you guys give me the answer? Guys, I need an answer from you guys. From where these 100 services or 200 services are getting created? They are developing with the help of their developers, I agree. But why? What is the use? What is the benefit? Yes, go ahead.
Machine learning.
Can you repeat it?
Different services are there in AWS by the help of machine learning and developer perspective, testing perspective.
Correct, correct. I
Yeah.
agree. Yes, but why? What is the requirement? Why he is creating all these services? What is the benefit?
Application.
Okay, I agree. Yes,
24.
application.
Application will be available on 24/7, increasing the EC2 servers,
Hmm.
availability, durability, and 24/7 availability application.
Okay, Naresh, you know the answer, but you have to give the answer in a little bit framed way or better way. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Cool, good. Okay,
Right.
your answer is kind of correct. Okay, chalo, let me explain. Okay, anyone want to say that how come 100 services or 200 services has been developed? Guys, go ahead.
Because
Anubhav, switch
previously,
on the camera. Switch on the camera, please. Yep.
no, I'm not that position that I can switch on the camera.
Next time, be available with the laptop. Okay, guys, it will be helpful for you. Okay, and we will make it more interactive, right? Yes, go ahead.
Because of previously everything is on-prem and we have to manage all those things. So for that reason, AWS came with these services.
Kind of correct. I understood that you are giving the correct answer. Okay, chalo, let me explain in a proper way. Okay, we know in a traditional way, so many things are there: firewalls, routers, administrator. In the database, like DS, SNS, NAS, RDMS, DBMS, lot of storage services are available earlier time in a traditional way. Now, these services are very same, concept is very same, but the name has been changed or the logic has been came into the software or ready-made things are coming. These are the old services or traditional services related to the database and storage. Around 10 years back, these services are getting used. Nowadays, the new services, same services are available in AWS with the help of EBS, S3, RDS. Earlier, the databases are RDMS. Now the database are RDS, relational database services, which is providing on the Amazon. So earlier, like these services are there, now new services has been created. In your company, if someone has a 5 to 7 years or 10-year experience, if you went to your company, there may be some small storage room available or some server room was there in your company. Guys, are you agree with my point? Some small server rooms kind of thing.
Yes. True.
But
Yes.
nowadays it may available or it may not available because it has been replaced by AMIs and EC2 machines. Virtually, this type of things are available virtually. That's why this type of things has been replaced with the EC2s. Okay. In your company earlier, lot of routers, network pipes, switches for the networking things are available. But when we'll talk, these things are very common at this point also. Okay. In our houses, our internet is coming with running with the help of routers, right? At this point also, these things are there. But if you need internet in the cloud, you will not say that bring the router there and provide the internet connection. No, they will provide you. You can create your own VPC. They will provide you the load balancers, everything with the help of softwares. Okay, net connections, peer connections, everything in the networking has been getting replaced with the help of softwares in the cloud. Guys, getting my point? Yes or no? How?
Yes.
How
Yes,
AWS is developing the services for all these things. This all services came. Database related thing, this all services came. This type of servers, database, storage, routers related things are there. For these things, everything has been converted into the machines. EC2 machines are there. So many different services, router, network, power, switches are there. Everything they combine into the VPC. If you will create your own virtual private cloud, you have to take your private network, you have to create your private subnet, and so many things are available into this place. All these things are getting replaced it was in a traditional way are getting replaced into the VPC. Okay. When we will talk about the security, some firewalls, ACLs, administrator type of person, human being who will allow or disallow the things. This all has been converted into the softwares at this point. Firewalls, the name has been changed in some cloud. In GCP, still it's firewall name. But here in the Google Cloud, the name has been changed to the security group. Concept is 100% same. ACL has been changed to the NSCL. Okay. And administrator related thing, earlier it's a human being or some software was doing it, this activity, administration related activity, right access, wrong access, deny, allow, this all things was happening with the administrator kind of tool. But at this point in the AWS, has been replaced by the AWS IAM service. So what I want to say here, in the traditional way, we were using this all different services or different tools, hardwares, and in the cloud, we are going to use this all things with the help of software. So whatever you are doing with the help of this thing, we have to do all these things into the cloud with the help of this thing. This is called revolution. This is called traditional softwares. This all called the cloud services. And I am going to give you this all services knowledge in this AWS training part. Got it?
Yeah. Basically, why do we use cloud?
Why do we use cloud? Because we can't create our own servers at our home. Right? We can't create all these things in our own premises. We can't maintain it. If I will maintain it, I have to spend a lot of money. I can't maintain all these things. But in the cloud, someone else will maintain. If any issue will happen, he will take care of all these things. Got the point, Anusha? And I will take care of what is cloud also. I will teach. Okay. In the today's session only.
Yeah, because I don't know, like, I don't know from scratch about the AWS. So
definitely, I will teach it. Okay. In the today's session, please stay tuned. At the end, you will get to know this part. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. I will not spend much time. I will go a little bit fast here because we have to discuss all these things in AWS classes. So guys, these all services which I'm going to teach to you. And here is the...
because sorry to interrupt you, I have one question. So
Jatin,
can I ask you now?
Can we park? Okay. Is this related to exactly this thing?
Yes. So the one which
Jatin, switch on the camera, please. Switch on the camera.
I'm at home. I cannot.
So what? We are also at home. Everyone is at home. I'm not expecting you to go out and...
No. I mean, my baby got up just now.
Switch on the camera. Switch on the camera, please. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead with your question, please. Yeah.
Okay. So my question is, as you said, like, when we talk about cloud, right, it is, available somewhere and, but for cloud, we need to maintain the cloud services, right? And we need to, company would be spending much more amount to maintain cloud even, right?
Correct. See, cloud can be connected with the help of only this console. Okay. This is the console of the AWS. Okay. Everything can be maintained from this UI.
Okay.
That's it. In short, I want to give this answer. Got it?
Okay.
But I will teach.
Because,
see, I haven't teach.
Yeah.
Can you park your question for some couple of minutes? Because I haven't teach the cloud computing. Okay. Let me teach you the cloud computing. You are all answer because we are at this point, we are discussing on a high level this part. I have to teach you the cloud computing. I will teach what is cloud, what is virtualization, all these things. Your answer will get cleared. Can we take your question at the last? Your answer will be automatically come. Okay.
Sure. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Cool. Yep. Cool. So guys, I just want to say that in the AWS, I'm going to teach you all these things and I'm going to teach you this all things in the AWS services, means some infrastructure, networking.
And one more question.
Because sorry to interrupt. Jitin.
No. I mean, it's.
Please try to understand. Okay. Let me deliver the things. I will take your questions. Okay. See, I will take care of global infrastructure. I will take care of networking. I will take care of compute. I will take care of storage. I will take care of database. I will take care of applications. I will take care of deployments and administration activities. Means most of the services from every category, at least 1 or 2 services, I'm going to teach to you in my AWS classes. Okay. This is the big picture which I want to show it to you. Okay. Cool. Now, This is just a one-line definition I am giving at this point. Okay, it's not a good time to discuss all these services, but I'm just giving one-line definition at this point for all the services what we are going to discuss in our AWS classes. Okay, that will be a module 3. Cool. After learning all these things, guys, if you have a very high experience, 5 to 10 years, I want you to read these books also. Okay, it will be very helpful. These are the white papers written by AWS. This is for only for the experienced person. If you are a fresher, if you don't have any knowledge, no need to read it. Okay, nothing required. After learning with me, yes, you can write all the certification exam, and I want you to write this Cloud Dictionary exam within next 2 or 3 months. Okay, after learning the AWS, you are most eligible to write this certification exam very soon. Got it? Yes, no, all good till now?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, this PPT we have already shared with you guys. Okay, you have the links, yes or no? Guys, tell me, yes or no?
Yeah, I don't think so.
You don't have, let me provide it
So-
to you right away. Okay, let me give you the link in this chat only. Okay, batch 30 demo drive. Yeah. Sorry. This is the link, okay, which I am giving to you in the chat, okay, where this PPT is already available. Okay, and it is publicly available at this point. Okay, cool. After that, we have just completed the day 1. Now I'm coming to the day 2, okay, where we will discuss about the servers, data centers, cloud, virtualization, and so many things. Can we take a, guys, can we take a small 2-minute break, and then we will start our day 2? Is that okay?
Yes, sure.
Okay, because I
Yes.
don't want you to go in between. Okay, that's why I'm giving a 2-minute break right away. Okay, please come back in 2 minutes. Yep. Guys, I'm here. We have 30 seconds. If anyone want to ask the questions, please feel free to ask.
Should I ask now?
Yeah, Jitin, go ahead.
Okay. So, I mean, the reason being asking, the reason being asking all these
Go ahead, go
questions
ahead, go
is,
ahead,
you
go
know,
ahead with your
even
question.
I'm new to this cloud and all.
Correct. I'm
So
here to teach you everything. Without learning, you can't ask the questions,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Right, guys.
So I'm basically into Java J2 background with more than 12 years of experience. So I mean,
Okay.
how helpful this cloud technology would be, because I can see this is kind of more on an admin role, and the what we do mostly on the development side. So how helpful if I'm adding
Jatin,
this cloud?
you have a 12
Yeah.
years of development experience. Okay. You don't want to learn anything new, which is booming technology.
Okay.
One very good point. Second point, you don't want a good, very high package. You are already into the saturated region that after 12 of experience, if I don't know the package, but if you will already reach 30, 40, you want to increase the package.
No,
Yes or
see,
no?
the reason being, the reason being, I mean, I just got to know that even, everywhere people are talking about cloud and all. So
Correct.
just to, enhance and, just to add some kind of, additional technology in my profile, thought of going for this cloud, but I don't know like how impactful it would be.
See,
So that's why I'm asking like,
uh, just learn 1 or 2 classes, okay, and
okay,
then decide it, and I will help you out. Okay. If you want to
okay,
come into the technology, good technology, and you want a career boom for the next 5 to 10 years or 15 years with a very double your package, whatever is the package, if you want to make it double, you have to learn this part.
okay. So, I mean, I understand, but question is, will this be kind of, development activity or, I mean, because, I
It's
can
a
see.
overall activity. Okay. Cloud is not
Mhm.
only the administration. Okay. Administration development part also come, and in your real time also the Git, Jenkins automations will
Mhm.
come. Means whatever you are doing in 10 days, 15 days, it will happen very fast in the development environment as well. And are you not using the Git in your company?
We are using it
You
now.
are using Jenkins,
Yeah.
then you are already using the DevOps tools. Do you
DevOps,
know
we are
that
not using.
without
We are not using. No, it's not CI/CD pipeline. So Jenkins, we are.
Jenkins, Jatin, you are using Git, you are using Jenkins. These are
Yeah.
DevOps tools. These are DevOps tools.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Jatin, I don't want to disturb everybody. Okay. I will talk with you
Sure.
at the end of the
Yeah.
session, please. Okay.
Yeah.
Please bear with
Yeah.
me.
Fine.
I'm
So
bounded.
all these, I mean,
See,
are
Jatin,
these?
Jatin, I came
Okay.
here to deliver the
Yeah.
things. Please. Okay. Try to understand that part.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. Cool. Yeah. Guys, as per our day 2 agenda, okay, if you will see here, we have to understand what exactly the servers we have to understand what exactly the data center is. This is what I am going to teach to you right away. Okay. Yep. You are already aware that we are from the Cloud and DevOps community, okay, which where we have 53,000 members in the Facebook group, 7,000 members in the Instagram, 8,000 members in the WhatsApp community, 1,000 members in the what we can say YouTube community. Okay, cool. Now, if I will ask the very simple questions with you, before teaching the cloud, I want to take some steps back and I want to teach you what exactly the data center is, what exactly the data center approach says. When any of the issue happen into the data center, what is the solution? What all challenges are there so that this type of data centers are maintained by every company is not maintaining at this point by every company. Okay, they are hand over this all part to some other expert areas. Okay, because earlier every small company is maintaining their data center. Now every small company is not maintaining it, they are moving to some virtual place. Okay, what exactly it is, why all these things happen, we are going to discuss in the next 5 minutes. Okay, let's understand this all things with the help of scenarios. Okay, I would like to take a one scenario here. Guys, listen that question very properly. Okay, this is one of the website. Are you agree with my point? This is one of the website, CloudDevOpsHub.com.
Yes, sir.
Right? If I will tell you, you have to develop this type of website, what all things or what all components will be required? Can you please let me know, help me out? I need a very general answers. Yes.
HTML.
HTML, yes. Development side or part or coding part will be required. Cool, I agree. Yes. What else?
Internet connection.
Internet connection. Okay, chalo, INTERNET. For developing this thing, internet is not required. Yeah, but it's okay. Internet will be required. What else?
App
So,
server, web server.
server,
Web servers will be
web
required.
hosting,
Web server will be required. Hosting will be required. Correct. What else?
Load balancer.
Can you repeat?
Load balancer.
Load balancer. If the more load will be there, load balancer will be required. Correct. What else will be required, guys? Give the answer.
DDMS,
database,
Database
RDMS,
DB will be required. Okay.
app server.
security,
App server, I have already written web server or app server will be required. Yes. What else? Still so many important things are
Load
pending.
balancer will be required.
I already mentioned load balancer, LB,
Security.
security related things, some components will be
Domain.
required.
Domain also.
Storage.
Domain also, storage, domain
Host
will be
name.
required. What else? Host name. Domain will come into the host name and domain name will become here. What else?
Linux operating system.
Some operating system will be required. Virtual machine will be required. Yes. What else?
Networking related.
Yes. What else will be required?
Network.
Network. Already internet, someone told I will consider as a network only. What else?
Storage also we can.
DNS related things will be required.
DNS, everything I'm just putting into the domain and here only. It's a DNS only. What
Okay.
else? Minimum, this all things will be required to create any small website also. Guys, yes or no?
Yes, I think so. Yes.
How much time will be required to configure all these things, develop all these things? If I will tell you, or if I will want to give a contract to you that you have to create a one website like this, how much time will be you will take it?
15 to 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Sharath, I'm not telling you any of the DevOps tool. I'm not telling you to go with any of the cloud. Normal, general, traditional approach.
So it will maximum take 2 to 3 days.
Okay. In the 2 to 3 days, you will able to create a virtual machine or a
Yes.
machine.
Virtual machine can also be created. Virtual machine can be created within 1 hour, I think. I guess we have to download and just create that machine.
Okay, cool.
Like
Fine.
Oracle, VirtualBox, and other.
Okay, I agree. But for VirtualBox also, you need a hardware, right?
Yes.
You will
we
get a
need
hardware in 1 hour.
Yes, sir.
Okay. From where you will get the hardware in 1 hour?
We means everyone have like their system. So on that system they can
You
install.
will convert that system into the hardware. Okay, fine. Okay. What else? Guys, but in traditional way, how much time it will be required? I feel Sharath is a knowledgeable person. What else? Guys, give me the answer, please.
10 to 15 days to develop the every website and host
Yeah,
everything.
I agree. Okay, means development part also required some days. Okay, none of the developer will write a code over the night. He will take 15-20 days to complete this part. Okay, designing part.
Yes.
Okay, and all these things, setup, purchasing, hardware purchasing, configuration will take, guys, you can only say that how much time will be required in a
1 to 6
traditional way.
months. In a traditional way, it will take 1 to 6 months. If
Sharath, now
someone
you are
has
telling
to-
us someone else answer 1 to 6 months. Okay, I'm taking 1 month only. Okay, that yeah, minimum 1 month will be required to configure all these things so that it will work. Correct? Yes or no? How much budget will be required to achieve all these things?
I think too much for like we have to
20
buy
Number?
the
30
hardware and also the maintenance stuff, the cooling system, everything. So it can cost around 10 to 15 lakhs.
10 to 15 is very high. I'm giving 5 lakhs. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, means all these things will be required. At least 1 month time will be required. Everyone's salary will be required. Hardware, software configuration, maintenance, everything. And so that I'm taking 2 to 5 lakhs budget will be required. Are you agree with me at this point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Chalo, let's understand this part. Okay, keep remember this thing. To create any of the website, anything, I need some administrator kind of person, developer kind of person who will take the responsibility to create the things like this in a small way in your own environment, right? So that investment will be required. Either you will go to any of the data center on a rented basis, or you will go to some host provider. You will send your inquiry and they will respond you within 15 minutes to 2 hours, or within 24 hours. They will respond that, okay, if you want to host all these things, yes, you can do this part. This is the connections. They will give you some IPs or something, access and all these things. It will take approx to 24 hours to host the things into the some rented place. Are you agree? The approach one, which has ready-made data centers available. First point. Okay, where the ready-made data centers are available, you can send the inquiry. They will provide you after passing the bill and all these things. They will give you some access. Minimum of 24 hours will be required to use their hardware. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Approach one. Second approach says go to the shopping. Okay. Purchase whatever you want as per your requirement and configure in your environment with the help of administrator person, or the hardware people or hardware team also come, network team will come, database team will come, multiple teams will come, and they will configure in your own environment. Shopping is the option. Third option, there are some rent provider. You can purchase this hardware or you can take this hardware on a renting purpose as well. So in the traditional way, these are the three options. Either you can go to the data center host provider, purchase the hardware for your own, or otherwise take the hardware on the rent and you can use it, utilize it. Guys, in the traditional way, these all possible options are there. But the problem is, if any of the hardware get failed, you have purchased this thing, if it is working, not working, any of the problem came, hardware related issue came, communication failure, network failure, internet is not working, power is working, there is a power issue, outage, network congestion, slow internet, or any of the problem happen after creating this type of data center by own. What is the solution? The solution is you have to go to this place in the data center and then try to troubleshoot the issue, that what is the problem or why the problem is happening. Agree? Yes or no? For every problem, the solution is one, go there and check it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
If internet is not working, what
Yes,
is the solution? Go there and check internet is not working, call to the provider, they will come or they will fix it by from there virtually, or they will come and check where is the wiring problem solution and they will provide you. But the only solution is first go and run into the data center wherever you are and then try to troubleshoot it. Okay, whatever is the problem doesn't matter. Solution is one, you have to go there. Okay, in the data centers. Okay, now the another problem, let's assume today you created a website, okay, or you created some hardware or some application, okay, which is running on some 4 GB RAM, and you have to increase to some upper size or higher, you want to increase the size. Then guys, what is the solution? Let's assume in my current laptop or in my current hardware, I am running a 10 GB of RAM or 23 GB of RAM. I want to increase it. What is the solution?
I have to
Uh,
extend
so
my hard disk.
either we will
8
add on
GB.
a external hard disk, or like we will
Man,
replace
I'm
the.
asking the question
to buy
related to
an
the RAM. My question is related to the RAM. Give the
Okay,
answer
RAM.
related to RAM, please.
We
We have to
can
buy an
add on the RAM.
If I will buy the add-on RAM, okay, I have only two out of two slots. I can't increase it because
We
already
will
two slots has
remove
been full.
that RAM and
I have to remove
replace
one. I have to
another
remove one.
RAM.
I have to purchase a bigger RAM one, and I have to add it. Right? The
Yes.
one who will I will take it out. It's a waste of my money.
Yes, sir.
Right? What I will do with this old RAM? I have to throw it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Right? It's a waste of the resources. I'm doing it here. Let assume my requirement is not that much. I'm only using 40% of my RAM. So my 40% RAM is getting wasted. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you have 100 of servers, if you will waste like this, means you are wasting your money. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Guys, are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes. Right, sir.
Right?
Right, sir.
So
Yes,
you are
sir.
Correct, correct. Exactly.
you are not wasting your resources, you are wasting your money. If you will replace the things, again, old hardware, either you have to use it somewhere, if well and good, if you will able to it. Otherwise, if you will throw it, again, wasting of money. Means this is a big problem. I can't, if I will increase too much, that is a problem. If I will use too much less, my application will be slow. Okay. So this type of problem, if we will use our data center, if we will not do the very proper plannings, okay, which application has to be run on which place, how much, where, and all these things, then we are wasting unnecessary our resources or unnecessary our money as well. This is another big problem in the data centers. Correct?
Right, sir.
Yes,
Absolutely.
yes.
So this type of problem has been solved by something. I am coming into that place. Okay. In the traditional way, either if you will use or not use your resources, you have to pay the rent to the data center. Okay. If power supply goes, power supply, cooling, maintenance, we have to pay the rent for that also. If you are replacing the hardware, purchasing a new hardware, it will take a long time because you will make a planning, you will decide it, then you will purchase it. Again, it will take a lot of time. Scaling is limited. If today you have added 32 GB, if hardware you want to change, again you have to go with the process one, why we have to use, how much we have to use, so many different reasons, and then you can scale it. So scaling is very limited. You need a 24/7 team to be available to monitor the infra, hardware, softwares, the cooling, so many things. You need a 24/7 team to maintain all these things. If any of the disaster like this happen, we have to deal by own. No one will come because it's your own data center. You only have to troubleshoot. You only have to fix that all things. Correct? If any of the problem happen, wiring cut, hardware failure, software failure, anything, who will take care? Your owner or your company or your team will only take care of that all parts. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you agree
Yes,
with
sir.
my point? If you create a data center in your company. So
Yes, sir.
if that all problems are there, the solution came with the help of cloud. Now the question is cloud. Can anyone here give me a very simple answer? What is cloud? Very simple answer. I don't need a very tough answer. I need a very simple answer so that everyone here will understand what is cloud. Yes.
Where we
Basically,
can-
a server.
Yes, basically a server. Complete your point. Who is that?
It
Abhishek.
provides on-demand services.
Okay, chalo, let me take it. Okay, let me take it. Cloud refers to the server that are accessed over the internet. Means something is available with the help of internet connection, we can access it. Okay, these all things are available. I have an internet connection, I have a access, and I can use all these services. Right? Yes or no? Something accessed with the help of internet, that is known as cloud. This is AWS cloud. Okay, with the help of internet connection, I have connected to that. Agree? Yes or no? Simplest answer.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what I am connecting, what I am doing it means they have some softwares, some applications, some database in a servers which we are going to use. Means if I'm talking about this thing, this many different services are there. Something related to the compute, something related to containers, database, development activities, and so many different things are there. We are accessing means we are accessing their applications with the help of internet, that is a cloud. How all these things are possible? How I can do this thing? With the help of cloud computing technology, users, companies, they don't have to manage their physical data centers. Okay. With the help of cloud computing, you don't have to manage this all physically available things. You can access with the help of internet. That is possible because of the cloud computing. Okay. What exactly the cloud computing is? We can use someone else servers, machines with the help of internet. Means how I'm accessing this all servers? Obviously I have a AWS access, but because of the cloud computing technology, I can able to access all these things with my internet connection only. Agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. The cloud, in a shortest way or simplest answer, I want to say that somewhere else resources are available which we are accessing with the help of internet, that is known as cloud. Now guys, you got the answer. What is cloud? Everyone here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Got it, sir.
Cool.
Yes.
Good. Okay.
Yes,
If I'm talking about the cloud, there are so many cloud providers are available. Cloud providers means like Google, Amazon, Azure, IBM, Salesforce, so many. These are the providers available. I can open some other cloud as well. This is my AWS cloud account. Okay. I'm opening the another cloud account as well. Okay. Let me open it. I'm going here. I'm going just opening it here. This is called Google Cloud, right? If you will see here, not much difference. Console keyword is here. Console keyword is here also. In place of Google, the AWS keyword is here. Means URL also same. And this is my Google Cloud account. Okay, this is another provider. Here also 3 dots are there. Here also dots are there where all the services are here. Here also in the Google Cloud, if I will open, all the services are here. Means if you know one cloud, you can do the experiments or learn the another cloud very easy. Okay, clouds are very same. This is AWS cloud provider. This is Google Cloud provider. Okay, What my definitions or what my image says, there are so many cloud providers available into the internet. We are using their services, that is known as cloud computing. Means if we will use their services in this Google Cloud, if I'm using their services, means I'm using the cloud computing technology. Got it? What is cloud? What is cloud computing? How we are accessing? With the help of internet, with the help of console option, we are accessing. Means this UI or web-based application. Guys, mute yourself, please. Whoever is not talking, mute yourself. This is with the help of console over the web application, we are accessing the complete cloud. Okay, this is known as cloud computing. We are accessing their providers. Okay, providers are providing their services and we are accessing, that is known as cloud computing. Okay, now after cloud computing, there are so many types of cloud: public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, hybrid cloud, which we have to understand. Okay, in the public cloud, what exactly will happen? The cost will be little bit less. Okay, but it will be accessible publicly. From the name itself, it's very common that it's a public cloud, means it's a shared cloud. Charges will be very less, data will be secure, but it's a publicly available. Okay, there is another cloud, private cloud, which you have the total control, means everything you have to manage by own. Very flexible, very high. Charges will be little bit high as compared to the public cloud. Guys, are you okay with the public cloud and private cloud? From the name itself, the answer is very clear.
Yes.
Everyone?
So sorry to hear that part because of network issue.
I don't have any network issue. Okay, my guys, my voice is very clear, right?
There was network issue from my side, sir.
Yeah, okay. So I can't do anything in that case. Okay, I can provide you the recording. Yeah, guys, it's that very clear that what is public cloud, private cloud. In simple way, public cloud, which is accessible very easily with multiple people. Private, only you have the right access, only you can access, you have the full control. You can change your flexibility, whatever the things, you can change it very easily. That is known as private cloud. Same thing here, two more clouds are there. Hybrid cloud is there. You can see very easily two varieties of cloud. Okay, two varieties means either a public cloud, private cloud, or either one cloud or one part is AWS, another part is Google Cloud, or another part is Azure. If two varieties of cloud will come into the picture, that is known as hybrid cloud. Means you can combine two clouds. Your some resources will run in one cloud, some resources will run in another cloud. Means you are using the hybrid cloud. My training program is a hybrid cloud or multi-cloud training program. Means I will teach some part from the AWS, I will teach something from the Google Cloud, and we will learn we will become the hybrid cloud engineer, because this is the future demand is coming into the market. If you will say that I know only AWS, they may reject you because you know only AWS. Okay, and there may be chances if you'll say I know AWS, I know Google Cloud, I know this other cloud as well. So he can straightforward say that, okay, you know multiple cloud, you are welcome to join our company. Right? Sometimes if you will say I know only Azure, they will reject you. There may be chances if they say that no man, we want a person who have a overall knowledge, then you may get rejected. If you know multiple cloud, it will be helpful for you. Got my point? Why we are teaching multi-clouds to you? Because we want to crack you the interview. You have to crack the interviews. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And it's very simple. Don't think that I have to learn the driving with every car. No, if you know the driving, you can drive any of the car. If you know AWS, you can use in Google Cloud as well. You can learn, you can use into the Azure as well. If you know Google Cloud, you can definitely learn the another cloud as well. In simple, if you know the driving, you know how to drive a car, you can drive any of the car. Agree with my point? Yes or no? Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you are using a Windows laptop of Lenovo, if I will tomorrow, I will give a HP laptop or Dell laptop, you will able to use it or not?
Yes, we can.
Right? You will able to use it because all the things will be very similar. What is the difference? Only basic UI is the different or company is different. Here also what I told, all the services will be very same, only the different companies are there. If you know how to use the Lenovo laptop, you can use the Dell laptop also. It's same as if you know AWS, you can use the Azure as well. That's it. Only the UI is little bit different. That's it. Cool.
Yeah, because basically hybrid
Service name is also different, sir.
Only the names are getting different. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, backend is very similar. I agree with your point. Yes.
yeah, hi, because actually you are telling hybrid cloud means we can use few services from AWS and few services from GCP and
Some
other clouds.
services from one cloud, some services from another cloud is known as hybrid cloud. Some
Means-
part into the private, something into the public, that is known as hybrid cloud. Two different things is known as hybrid. That's it.
Means basically if see I create one VPC in AWS, can I use this VPC in GCP?
Not VPC is a personal thing. Okay.
Personal.
If you create a EC2 machine in the AWS, you can access that EC2 machine from the Google Cloud. That is possible. You can store some data into the Google Cloud. That is possible.
And we can access this storage, Google Cloud storage
From different cloud. That is also possible.
Okay.
Okay. That concept is known as hybrid cloud. You will make some pairing connection, some VPN connection to make it connected. Like this, these are connected. There are so many ways we can connect this cloud and we can use it. Okay. Now,
private cloud come the picture when we are using this VPC.
Anubhav, your voice is not very clear.
Yeah, are you able to hear me?
Yes, now I'm able to.
Yeah, actually, private cloud basically, if we put the VPC that sync, then it's private cloud.
VPC is a private cloud. The name itself, virtual private cloud, that is VPC.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, understood.
Yep, cool. Okay. When I'm talking about the community cloud, community means intention is same. They are taking a private network, and if your intention is same, you can use the same network for the multiple people or multiple different companies can use it. That is known as community. Like us. Okay, we are the community. If we require the resources, we can go to the some other training institute, something like that, and we can share the resources. That is possible. That is known as community cloud. Okay, means sharing the resources is possible. Who has the same intention is known as community cloud. Guys, on a high level, you got the answer. One line definition at least. Varieties of cloud, and these are the varieties of cloud available into the market. Cool.
So community clouds, can you please explain it again?
Community means if you have a same intention, you are sharing the resources. That is known as community cloud. Got it? Let's assume I have a Zoom license. I'm not taking any classes in the evening. I can give my Zoom license to someone else to use it in the evening time. That is a sharing in the community cloud. Got it? You can share the resources if who has the same intention. That is a community. Okay, cool, good. Okay, I'm giving you one line definition or some definitions also here. It will be helpful for the interviews. Okay, just read this definition. It will be helpful. What is public cloud? What is private cloud? What is hybrid cloud? Okay, now I'm coming to the benefits of the cloud. There are so many benefits of the cloud, which is easily upgradable. If you want, you can change it anytime. Low cost of ownership. You don't have to spend much amount while taking the ownership. Very easily, we can take the ownership. It will be always up. Okay, you don't have to maintain it because they are the person, they are the expert who will maintain all these things. Disaster assistance. If any of the problem happen, anything, they will give you the assistance. They will help you out to restore the things. Okay, no maintenance cost. You don't have to worry about the maintenance cost. We are providing the rent. In that rent, already the maintenance cost is added. Offsite storage. If you feel that my data has to be stored in my location only, my region, then that is also possible. You can host your application somewhere, but if you want to store a data in your location, that is also possible. Okay, productivity anywhere means it's a cloud. Okay, it can be accessible over the internet. Edge networks are there. So many different networks are there. That's why we are telling that there are lots of benefits of the cloud. Do you want to add any other benefits from your side, guys, of using the cloud?
So security compliance.
We don't have to worry about the accessibility complaints. I agree. What else? Audit related things, they will take care by own. Yeah, Anubhav, go ahead.
It's scalable.
It's very high scalable. You don't have to worry about the scalability. What else? Some disadvantage.
Sir, what is disaster assistance?
Disasters, if any of the issue happen, they will provide you the assistance to fix that part. That is disaster assistance.
Okay, okay.
Okay, guys, these are the advantage. Can anyone tell me the disadvantage?
That I don't have the internet access, then I can connect my to cloud system.
Then it's
That is
your
the
problem. You don't have the internet connection.
No, so
Okay, this is
basically,
not advantage, disadvantage.
basically big it disadvantages if we are not using but is keep on running is charging.
Correct. Let assume you take a rented house. If you are staying or not staying there, you may have to pay the rent, right? If you created some virtual machines, either you are using or not using, we have to pay the rent. That is a kind of disadvantage in the cloud. If you are taking it, not using it, either you can release it, then it will be free. Otherwise, if you will keep it with yourself, there may be a charges will be there. This is one of the disadvantage we can say. Okay, cool, good. Okay. Guys, in the cloud, it's a very simple. This is the some place, means virtually some places is available. With the help of internet, with the help of different resources, we can connect. So different resources are the front end. Back end, we will get it connected with the help of internet. This is the very simplest cloud architecture I can show. In the backend, some servers are there, some databases are there, some databases, firewall, networking, applications, so many things are there. With the help of internet, with the help of our browser, software, applications, we can access it. That is known as the architecture of the cloud. Are you agree with my this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay. Now we will go more deeper into it. When I'm talking about the cloud has been divided into two parts, deployment model and service model. Okay. In the deployment model, public cloud, hybrid cloud, and public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud will come into the picture. That is known as deployment model. Means you can use any of the cloud as per your requirement. Now they are providing some services also. They are telling that as per your requirement, you can take the services from the cloud as well. They are providing primarily three types of services: infrastructure service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Okay, what exactly it is, we are going to discuss right away. Okay. Yeah, just give me 5 more minute theory, then we will go into the practical. Okay, what is cloud computing? It's a combination of service model and deployment model. Now, if I will ask the very simple question, what is cloud computing? It's a combination of deployment model as a service model is known as cloud computing. In the deployment model, 3 more things will come. In the service model, 3 more things will come. Okay, cloud computing is a model which enables on-demand network and shareable configurations. This network, share servers, storage, application services are available into these services. Okay, it is rapidly increased with the minimal effort. If you need any of the server, network, application, storage, very minimal effort will be required and you can create it. Okay, it has some essential characteristics like service model and deployment model, which we are going to discuss in some couple of seconds. Okay, now how the cloud computing is possible? Cloud computing is possible because of the virtualization. The new keyword came into the picture, virtualization. Can anyone tell me the meaning of virtualization? What is the meaning of virtualization? Cloud computing is happening means I am able to access this all Google Cloud resources because of the virtualization. Now the important question is, what is virtualization?
Able to use compute services over the cloud.
Accessing someone else's resources virtually is known as virtualization. Means I am accessing this Google Cloud resources virtually, means from my home, I am accessing this data center is known as virtualization. This is my AWS cloud. There are so many services. There is a Singapore data center, different data centers. I am accessing this with the help of virtualization technology. With the help of virtualization technology, I am able to access these resources or this data center is known as virtualization. In simple definition, I would like to say that accessing someone's hardware virtually is known as virtualization. Got my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Now,
yes.
another term came into the picture, the technical term of that computer. If I will access someone's computer, that is known as virtual machine. Machine means some computer, some hardware. With the help of internet, with the help of virtualization, if I'm accessing someone's machine is known as virtual machine. Means why I'm telling this compute engine, VM instance, why I'm telling this machine as a virtual machine. The reason is with the help of internet, I am accessing someone else's machine is known as virtual machine. Guys, got it? Any question in this three terminologies? Yes, no?
No.
All good? Digestible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cool. Good. Okay. Guys, I need 10 minutes, 10 more minutes of your time. I would like to show whatever you are telling that we want, if we want to create a one of the machine, okay, one of the website, what all resources are required. I'm going to develop this thing in front of you in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. What we are telling that we need a 1 month time, we need this many resources, okay, this much amount. I'm going to create all these things free of cost in the next 10 minutes. Stay tuned, please. Okay. What exactly I'm going to do it means, if you will see here in the day one, there is a big picture demo of the DevOps tools. Okay. This is what I'm going to do in the next 10 minutes, please. Okay. Cool. Now let's come into the PPT again. My requirement is, I'm just closing unnecessary thing. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm coming here. My requirement is very simple. I need a what we can say, I need a website. Okay. So to create a website, you already told so many things. I'm just making it in a order. Okay. I need a operating system or I need a virtual machine. Correct. My first requirement is I need a virtual machine so that I can put something into the virtual machine. Are you agree with my point?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
To create a virtual machine, we have lot of option. Either I can go to AWS, either I can go to Google Cloud, either I can go to Azure, so many places. At this point, I want to go to the Google Cloud. Okay, why I'm going to the Google Cloud? The reason is AWS, so I will teach you in a very deep. Okay, let's learn something which we don't know. Okay, means something extra learning I'm going to do you. So what I'm doing it, I'm going to the Google Cloud and I'm creating a virtual machine for you. Let's go here. And what exactly the step is telling, go to any of the cloud provider and create a virtual machine is my step 2. Chalo, I'm copying this all steps in my notepad so that I can give it to you as well. I'm going to the Google Cloud, okay, and create a virtual machine. Cool. Chalo, let's do it. This is my Google Cloud account. This is my Google Cloud account. In the Google Cloud, I'm just choosing here. I'm going into the compute because CPU and memory is required, so that I'm going into the compute engine. What you need, I need a virtual machine. So I'm just going to the virtual machine instance page. This is the home page for the virtual machine. At this point, there is no virtual machine up and running in my environment. Are you agree with my point? It's empty.
Yes, yes.
Right? I'm going to create one virtual machine in front of you. How to create it? You just have to click on the create instance. As soon as you will click on the create instance, it will ask some details. You have to fill some form or some information so that the machine will get created for you. Guys, I need anyone of your name, please. Anyone? Unmute and let me know.
Ashok
Ashok. A-S-H-O-K. Anyone else? Ashok and
Abhineet.
Abhineet. A-B-H-I-N-E-T. I'm creating a machine, Ashok Abhineet. Okay. I'm not changing anything. I'm taking all the default configuration, 2 CPU, 4 GB RAM, all default configuration. I don't want to touch anything at this point. I'm just changing the operating system. Which operating system I'm taking? I'm taking the most popular operating system, that is Ubuntu. Okay. And which is of 10 GB storage will come. Now I'm taking, guys, Ashok, mute yourself. Okay. When I'm talking the Ubuntu operating system, it is giving 20.10, 20.4 version of the Ubuntu will come to me. 10 GB of storage will come, and I'm just selecting it. We will discuss all these things very deeply. No need to worry at this point. I'm just doing some minimal configuration and I'm creating a virtual machine. I just change one click. I just provide the name. Okay. Second click, I just change the Ubuntu operating system. Third click, I'm just allowing the internet firewall. And on the fourth click, I'm clicking on the create. Means within a 4 click, my virtual machine will be ready. It will ask some prompt to me. Okay. It is not asking, well and good. Okay. Sometime the pop-up will come for the verification. No, it's not came. Good. Okay. And my virtual machine will be get created only with the 4 clicks. Guys, are you agree? My machine will get created, virtual machine only 4 clicks and machine will get created.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now machine is up and running only with the 4 click. What I'm doing it, I'm going inside the machine. I'm just clicking on SSH. As soon as I'm clicking on the SSH, some verification, validation will happen with the port number 22. My keys from this account will get transferred into this thing. Everything is automated. I just click here, everything will happen automatically and I will be landed into the machine. Okay, within 5 clicks, I am inside the machine. It will take 30 seconds. Okay. Yeah, now the verification is coming. Okay, it happened automatically. Well and good. Okay. Yep, and I am inside the machine. Only 5 click, I created the machine and I am inside the machine. Are you agree? This is the user, Vikas is the user, and it is inside the Ashok and Abhinit machine. Cool. Till now, all good?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Good. Okay. Now, step 1 and step 2 is done. What is the machine name I took? Ashok Abhinit. I created the Ashok Abhinit machine. Okay. With VM ubuntu Ubuntu. That's it. Okay. So I'm just done with the step 2. Now step 3, what it is telling, install Docker. Why I'm doing it? Because some DevOps tools I'm going to do in front of you. I'm using some DevOps tool and I'm creating some softwares. Okay. So I'm just installing a Docker. Sir, how to install? We don't know. No worries. I will give you all the solution step by step here. Okay. How to install Docker? I have to run only this 4 command to get Docker installed in my machine. Okay. I'm just writing it here. Okay. And I will run in front of you. Sudo -i. Guys, anyone can give me the answer. What do you mean by sudo -i? Why I'm doing this? Because at this point, I am a Vikas user and I will become a root user. Why I'm becoming a root user? Because Vikas user don't have much permission. Root user have the extra privileges to do some activity. So I just press enter and from Vikas user, it become root user with the help of sudo -i command. I will teach all these things in the Linux classes. No need to worry. Okay. Now I am running the command apt get update. With the help of apt get upgrade, what will happen as a best practice? If you are taking any of the machine, all the packages should get upgraded as a good practice. So I'm just updating all the packages with the help of apt get upgrade command. Okay, it will take 20 to 30 seconds and all the packages in this machine are getting upgraded. Yes, all the packages are upgraded. This is my command 2 which I have run it. Now I'm running the third command which is telling apt install docker.io. With the help of this, Docker will get installed. But before that, I want to check that I have Docker installed or not. I'm just going into this machine only and I'm running the command docker-v. As soon as I press docker-v, he's telling Docker is not found. But you know the beauty of Linux. He's telling Docker is not available. Do you want to install? Run this command apt install docker.io and Docker will get installed in your machine. So I'm just copying this command. I'm pasting it and I'm pressing enter. So Docker will get installed. He's telling it will take 293 MB of extra size will be required. Are you agree? I'm telling why and I'm pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, my Docker will be installed. 19% is installed already. 25%, 41% has been installed already. 78%, 84%, and 97%. And now it's 100% Docker has been installed. How to verify? Very simple command, docker-v command I am running. And this time I'm getting an answer, Docker version 20.10 has been installed in my machine. Means after running docker-v command, Docker has been installed. So I'm telling my step 3 is done. Are you okay? My step 3 is done. Docker has been installed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now my infra is ready. Okay. In the infra is ready. Now I'm coming and downloading the website. Means someone has told, sir, if you want to run a website, you have to write the HTML code or some codings will be required. Correct? So from where I will get this code? From where I will get this code? I'm giving you the answer. You can go into this website. There are so many websites are available, freely available. You can take whatever you want. Okay. I'm going here and this is one of the Hiry website, Photosec website. Okay. Host it website, free CSS template. And if you will click on the free CSS template, so many templates will be available here. Guys, you are feel free to choose anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 out of 12. Choose anything. Chocos, emailer, phonic, myco, whatever you want. Just let me know. I will choose that one. Please, guys, choose it fast.
Myco.
Myco or myco. What is the number? Myco, right? The number 7. Guys, are you agree? Can I create a myco website?
Yes. Right.
Okay, I am taking the myco. Okay, I am going here inside it. It will look like myco hospital. Some hospital website will get created. Okay, if I will click on the download, what will happen? The code has been downloaded in my Windows machine. I don't want to download into the Windows machine. I want to download in my Linux machine. So what I'm doing it, I'm just copying the URL, copy link address. Okay, as soon as I will copy the link address, I will go into this place and I'm just typing ls. Okay, what the help of ls command? What is the use of ls?
It will list out.
It will list out whatever it will list the files, whatever available.
List of directories and files.
List of directories and files in the current location. At this point, only snap is the file available. Okay. And I'm using the wget command. With the help of wget command, what will happen? It will download the file from the internet into the Linux machine. I just given the URL myco.zip file and I'm pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, my one file has been downloaded, is myco.zip, which is available here also in my Windows machine. It look like this, and in Linux it has been downloaded into this place with the help of wget command. I will teach you the Linux also, no need to worry. But my file has been downloaded in my Linux machine. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. As something is downloaded, now what is the requirement? I have to, in the Windows, what you will do, if this is the file, what you will do with the help of some software, you have to unzip it. Yes or no?
Yes.
So either you can use extract software or 7-zip software and you will unzip it. I'm using the 7-zip software, and as soon as I use the, what is happening, refresh. Extract here. Okay, it is asking. Okay. No. Okay, sorry. Extract all. Okay, extract here. It is asking a pop-up yes to all. Okay, and some micro has been extracted. Okay, I'm sorry, something, the name was same because I have already downloaded it. Extract here, and it is asking yes to all. Okay, and it is extracting. Okay, so what in the Windows, we have to extract with the help of some software. In the Linux also, obviously we need some software to extract it. So there is a software here. If you will go to my PPT, you will see that software. I'm using the unzip software. Okay, with the help of unzip software, I can unzip that part. So I'm going in my Linux machine and I'm running just command unzip. Okay, and the file name. But as soon as I'm running this part, I'm again getting one error. Guys, what is this error? I'm getting one error. What is this error?
We have to.
That software is not present here.
This software is not available in my Ashok Abhinit machine. So the beauty of Linux, if you will see here, this software is not available. He is telling you can use this command and software will get installed. I'm just copying this command and I'm pressing enter. So what will happen? Unzip software will get installed in my machine. After installing the software, I'm running the same command again, unzip myco.zip, and as soon as I press enter and I will type ls, and you can see here micro HTML folder has been created now. Means I have unzipped this file and it will become micro.html file. Someone told that I need a HTML code. Yes, your HTML code is also available at this point. Got it?
Yes,
Yes.
got it.
Okay, now what I'm doing it, now I have a code, I have a machine, I have a some server is there. Now this person, whoever told that web server or app server is required, I'm going to you create a some web server or app server. Can you guys tell me what all web server softwares are available into the market?
In Node, we are using PM.
Apache Tomcat,
Apache Tomcat, yes, Apache Tomcat is there. Okay, what else?
NGXI,
Glassfish,
Apache
Glassfish.
Tomcat, yes, NGINX, Glassfish. Okay, so many web servers are available in the market. At this point, I am choosing the NGINX because this is the most powerful web, what we can say, web development software or web server in the market. Okay, so I'm just taking the NGINX. I will use the NGINX as a web server to run my application or to run my HTML code. Okay, HTML code can run on all this web server, whatever you want. I'm choosing the Nginx and I will run on the Nginx. So for that, what is required in my PPT? Again, there is a one Docker command. I will teach you this Docker command as well. No need to worry. At this point, just see the magic. Okay, I'm just copying the Docker command. Okay, I'm writing it here. The website, yes, we have downloaded. Which website we have downloaded? What is the name? Myco. Okay, Myco website we have downloaded and run the container. Now what will happen with the help of this Docker command? I'm running this Nginx container and with this website. So what I'm doing it, whatever has been downloaded, myco.html, I'm just putting this myco.html because that is available into the root folder. I'm just putting this. And but before that, I would like to verify that anything is running into this place. I just copy the URL and I'm just checking it. Is anything running into this URL on the port 80? No, at this point, nothing is available. I'm just double port 80 is also putting it. Nothing is available. So I'm giving this URL to you guys. Can you also check it and let me know anything is working? Guys, I'm giving you this URL 35.222.15.201. Can you check and let me know anything is working here?
No,
Please confirm some more person.
no, nothing is
Not
working.
working, right? It's not working. Cool. If it's not working, because code we
No,
have
sir, it's not working.
downloaded, we are not running the code, right? Web server is not running. That's why it is not running. Now, with the help of this Docker command, I will create a container. I will map my micro HTML code in with the Nginx as well. I mean, multiple things are happening with the help of this Docker command. I'm just taking this Docker command and I'm running into my environment. Okay. Let me know let me know, can I press the enter? As soon as I press enter, something will start running on that place. Let me know when I have to press enter. Please let me know.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, I am pressing the enter. As soon as I press enter, it is trying to find the image locally. It is not available. He downloaded, he configured and done. And as soon as I am done on the backend, some micro website is up and running. Guys, you can also have a look that your website is running or not.
Yes, it is running.
It is running for everyone,
Yes, yes, it is right.
right? All the options, most of the options based on the development activity, it is working. Yes, most of the things are up and running. How it is possible? Okay, how it is possible? Let's go to my PPT again. With the help of only 5 steps, okay, I go to the Google, I go to any of the cloud, I created the virtual machine, I installed the Docker, I just downloaded the code and I configure everything with the help of line number 5. And I just verified it, everything is working fine. How it is possible? With the help of cloud, with the help of DevOps tool. Docker is a DevOps tool. Who provided the resources to the DevOps tool? The cloud has provided. So we have to learn cloud. We have to learn the DevOps tool. Then only this all things are possible. If you will learn only cloud, the problem is you will not able to achieve all these things. If you will know only DevOps tool, from where you will take the infra, right? So we have to learn both the things, cloud as well as DevOps. That's why the combination of cloud and DevOps is in my master's course, which you have already a part of that. On the day one, I just take a very high level overview of the DevOps tools and I took the demo. Are you agree with my point? It is not tough. If you know the concept, if you will work one by one, we will able to achieve this part. So this logic.
Hello, sir. One doubt.
One second, one second. So this logic has been failed. It will not take 1 month. It will take only 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay. It will not take 2 to 5 lakhs. It will take 0. Okay. And you can run any of the websites which is already running in front of you for you all guys. Guys, good. Now you can ask the question. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Actually, can you open that notepad?
Switch on the camera, please. It will be good. It will be more interactive. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it will be more interactive. Okay. I will not tell always to switch on the camera, but sometime. Yeah, good. Good.
Can you open that notepad so that that command 8 code we have used?
Which one? Line number 5. I think this is the only problematic command at this point.
Yeah, the last command we used that.
Yes. What exactly this command says? Run the Docker container of nginx. Let me break this command into multiple parts. Okay. This is not the right time to explain this, but let me explain. Okay. What is telling? Run the nginx web server. We required a web server to run it. With the help of this command, web server will be container of the nginx will be running. Okay. Where it is supposed to be run? All the application should run on the port 80. All the web application should run on the port 80. So I'm writing just -p port 80. Till now, all good. Line number 55 is good at this point.
Okay.
Okay. Now, after that, what you want to run? You have a code, right? I want to run the code which is available into this location and connect into this location HTML. HTML is the location available into the nginx container, so that what will happen? This micro HTML will get connected to this HTML.
Right. So here partition and port is required.
Partition and port is required, means -v is the volume. Where is your data? Okay. My code is available into this location. I am informing.
Yeah, okay. Right.
And I don't want to see the logs. So I'm telling that interactive mode and -d is deattach. I'm not interested in seeing the logs. Deattach me means I need a very clean output at the end. I get a clean output that done working, right? If I will not write -it or d, what will happen? All the logs will be visible for me in the screen. And I'm not interested to see the logs at this point. We will see in some Docker classes.
-ti means interactive.
IT or TI is same. You can write it IT or TI interactive mode, IT.
Okay.
Cool. Good. Okay, this is what I have did it in front of you. And with the help of Cloud and DevOps tool, we can able to achieve all these things. In the tomorrow class, we will again start with the same place. Okay. And I will explain you why we have learned all these things. Okay. This is the combination of this many things, which one is coming into which category. And then we will go with some more example. I will take one more example, Windows 11 in the tomorrow class. I will explain you the cloud computing, software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, and then what exactly this is, what exactly the serverless concept it is. Okay. And then what exactly the IAAS, CAS, FAS, so many things. Okay. Which no one will teach you into the cloud computing. We will teach you all these things into the cloud computing, and then we will wind up the cloud computing part. And I can say in very short, if you learn one cloud, okay, if you know the concept of one cloud, you can work in any of the cloud. That is very simple. In short, if you know how to drive, you can drive any of the car. If you know how to use the laptop, how to use the Windows, you can use any of the Windows laptop. So no need to worry that, sir, can I work into the Oracle cloud? Can I work into the Salesforce cloud? Just all are the virtual machines, all are the machine servers. All the servers machine work very same, just the UI and names are getting changed. So I will give you the details that in AWS, what all the names, in Azure, what all the names, in Google Cloud, what is the name, what exactly the difference, that we are going to discuss in the tomorrow class. And we will understand so many things, whatever we are going to teach you in this class. And guys, recording and PPT, I will give it to you. PPT, I am downloading right away. Okay. And I am uploading in front of you only. Okay. And recording will automatically come into this place. If you will come to my website, okay, if you will come to my website, if you will come to the Batch-31 playlist, in this playlist, automatically the recording will, Day2 recording will come and it will run on the 8 p.m. IST. Okay, 8 a.m. morning is the live class, 8 p.m. IST is the recorded session, which will be available on the YouTube. If you need, I am giving you this link also into the chat.
Sir,
And I'm taking all your questions. Okay, yes, go ahead.
Sir, that we have created virtual machine. So how to delete that one?
Okay,
After,
very good question. Yes, after creating it, you have to go to this place and there are 3 dots. Okay, in the 3 dots, there is the option delete. And I want you to delete also if you are creating it. There is the option delete, Ashok. As soon as I will delete it, it will get deleted. And whatever was running here, it will become down. Okay, in some couple of seconds, it will be down. And as soon as I delete it, see, it is stopping a machine at this point. It will take maximum 30 seconds or 20 seconds, and this will be deleted. Got it? And I will teach you everything. No need to worry.
Sir, for me also, this is Ashok Kumar. I think this is the second class, but still I'm just not able to understand how to create. You're given some command and all, right? So I'm not sure how to create.
Ashok, this is just overview. I will teach you everything. Okay? This is just the high level. I told that this is the benefit of using the cloud. Okay? I will teach you how to create an account. Okay? First, I will help you out. Maybe Linux day 1, when the Linux day 1 will come. Okay? Means day 4, we will create a GCP account. Okay, day 4th or day 5th, we will create a Google Cloud or AWS account. Okay.
Yes. So tomorrow you don't have class, right? So we are having class on Monday, correct?
Monday, directly on Monday. Okay. On the Monday, we are going to go little bit more deeper into the cloud computing from these topics which are still pending, and then we will start our DevOps introduction in the Monday or maybe on the Tuesday class. I'm not worried to complete my syllabus. I'm worried to deliver the things on a very right way, very properly.
So yeah, we have
Anusha,
developed.
now you understood what is cloud, because in the starting you asked this question.
Yeah, we have developed like you have created virtual machine in the AWS cloud or Google cloud, right? So
Google
you said even I can access the machine.
Yes.
Virtual machine from my side.
Correct. Yes, you can access it. I have to provide you the access. Then you can access the virtual machine. We created the website which is already accessible to you, right?
Yeah.
Right. Yes, you can access the virtual machine also. I can give you the access. If I will give you the access, you can access that part as well. Yes.
Right.
In the company will create an account. As soon as you will join, your lead or your manager will give the access so that you can see all the things. I will teach everything. That is a IAM. Okay. The IAM will come. The IAM will come on the day. I think this is the day 11. As soon as we will start the AWS, first we will create a AWS account overview. Then I will tell you how to create a users, how to create a groups, users, role, policies, and in a best practice.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
So
day 11.
Virtual machine is basically a server.
Yes, it's a someone else machine which we are accessing with the help of internet. Someone else computer with the help of internet we are accessing it. That is known as virtual machine. Anusha, what's your qualification?
BTech.
BTech. Which branch?
Telecommunication.
Cool, that's good. That's nice. And you are already passed out?
Yeah, 2020 passed out.
2020. Anisha,
Yeah.
you must have to learn all these things. Okay.
Yeah.
Follow this all. Just see the day 1 video. You attended day 1 class?
Yeah. Right.
If you want, you can revise it, please. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Cool. Yep.
Thank
Good. Yep.
Hi, Vikas.
Are we done
Go
for
ahead.
the day?
Yes, we are done for the day. Guys, whoever has an office, you want to go, I respect your time. You can leave the meeting. I'm just taking the questions.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, Vikas. Jatin here.
Yeah, Jatin, go ahead. Yes.
So, I mean, is this demo class or it is the actual classes?
It's actual classes. It's actual class day 2. We don't have the demo class concept. Okay. What is the benefit of giving the demo classes?
Because when I spoke to you, yeah, I didn't know that, you know, some classes going on. So when I spoke to her, she said like, you can join the class. So I thought it's a demo class.
No, we don't have the demo class concept. You can directly come to the actual classes. Okay. These are the actual classes,
Okay.
which is happening. The day one is already completed. I just make it green. Okay. And in the day two, we have just given the server, data center, introduction, cloud computing introduction, public service, hybrid cloud. Okay. This is the introduction which I have given. So I'm just making this part as a green. And I just given the big picture practical demo tool. That's it. This one. Okay. This is the one which I have taken care at this point. Okay, rest all things are pending in the day two as well. And we will transparently maintain all these things into this place. Whatever is pending, whatever is not yet completed, if I will miss any of the topic, you can make it green. We will discuss in the again into the classroom.
Okay. Okay. So it's a 45 days class, right? I mean,
it's a 55 days around. Okay, because 45 to around 50 classes are there, 51 classes. And some more mock interviews, multiple weekends classes will be required. Okay, to complete all this.
Yeah.
Means I need 2.5 months. Simple.
Okay. Okay. It was good. It was good because I have never experienced any cloud environment earlier. And the way you showed us, like creating the,
I will see at this point, I'm just creating your base. Okay, I'm just making the foundation because here you saw that some students don't know what is cloud, what is virtual machine. If they will go somewhere and they will directly start the AWS, they will not able to understand. They will not able to survive into the company, right? Right. That's why till 1 week, 2 weeks, I will make your base strong. Okay. So that if you have a gap, if you don't know anything, you will able to understand anything and you can proudly say that I know this all things, I know into the real time because I will teach you everything.
Okay.
Yep.
And this was indeed, it was good one. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Guys, anyone able to understand? You want to make any comment? How it was today? How's the today's session?
Sir, please send the PPTs of today's class.
PPT is already there. Just give me a second. In next 2 minutes, it will be there with you. I'm just going to my drive. Okay. I'm going to demo drive. Yes, PPT I have already uploaded. Day one and day two, all the PPTs are into this place. Okay. And
because I raised my hand, so I was waiting for my turn.
Oh, sorry, Rajesh. I saw that. Yes, go ahead, please.
That's okay, Vikas. But my doubt was basically you created that Myco website, right now in the class.
Correct.
But you have did through an online website again. So I'm from a completely tech background.
Okay. See what I did. I just downloaded the code from the website. Okay. Means at this point, I don't have the developers, HTML peoples, right? Will write the code. I just downloaded the code and I configured by own with the Docker.
Okay, so basically the cloud, the code you downloaded and you have just entered that in the Docker. And the other question is these commands, what you're entering by default, that iOS or all those commands.
I will teach everything.
Do we have to memorize that because or
you have to understand? See, at this point, you are very new for all these things. So it's look tough. When you will learn the Linux, okay, you don't have to worry for all these things because in the Linux, we will remember all these things. I will teach you all the commands. I will explain you in a best of my knowledge. I will explain you all these things.
Sure, Vikas. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. You don't have, if you will understand, then it's a well and good. You just have to remember 20 commands. With the help of 15 to 20 commands, we can create 200 commands. That's it.
Sure.
Okay. Yep. Cool. Good. Nice question. Guys, how was the today class? Able to understand?
Yeah, pretty clear, Vikas.
Cool. Good.
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, because I have one doubt.
Good.
Yeah, if you have created one VM instance, right? In the like the softwares we have to maintain, update.
We are the DevOps engineer. Yes, we have to maintain. This is our work. We have to develop. We have to maintain it. The DevOps, the dev keyword means development. What is the development? This is the development. Development of virtual machine is our work. Okay. Development of software is our work. Okay. Development of container creation. This is also our work. Means this type of work we have to do into the real time as well. Rest, everything has been taken care. Some network engineer who will take care of networking. Okay. Developer will take care of this development of the code. we don't develop the code. We will maintain the code with the help of Git. It makes sense, Kamlesh?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
Cool. Then what else?
Sir, how can we access that Google Drive?
Which Google Drive? You can just give, I'm giving you link. Okay. Here is the link. I'm giving you again into the chat. Okay. Here is the link. I will send you the, you guys are already in my community. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If you are not, let me give you the community link also. Guys, please be into the community so that you will get the recording. All the links I will provide it to you. Okay. I'm just giving you the link. Okay. Yep. Here is my community link, guys. Please join this community. Okay. So that what will just scan this barcode, join my community so that recording, PPT, everything will be available into this part. Cool.
Yeah, okay, Vikas, thank you.
Cool. Thank you. Yep. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thank you. Okay. If you have any questions, please, any of the admin of this community, please ping. Okay. Or you can ping to me also. My number is already available in the website. Okay. This is my number 999344510. And you can ping to Shikha also. Here is the at the end of the website, the number is, or both the numbers, my number and Shikha number is available into the website. Cool. And the recording will be available in some couple of hours into our WhatsApp community.
Thank you, Vikas.